Good evening everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. So in this video we'll be learning how to design a beautiful and simple good day flyer. So let's get started. Unlike Canva, a whole lot of people design with Canva these days. Yeah, it's one of the most trending designing app today, but Pixel Lab is also used for designing. So unlike Canva, Pixel Lab doesn't have all the necessary things you need for your design. Also, Pixel Lab cannot be used for video editing. But then there are other good apps you can use as well, depending on your creativity and what you want. So let's get started. So in Pixel Lab, for you to design anything, you either use the default color of the app, or you use the background you downloaded, you go get the pictures yourself and all that. And then for you to get a good, nice design, you have to remove the background of the images you are going to use before you make use of them, so that it can pop out well with the background. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to remove a background of the images you want to use. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is just to delete this new text. Click on it and delete, and then you have to add the pictures you're gonna use for the design. So either you use this tab, this third icon on the tab, either you click on it and click on import, or you click this plus sign here and then from gallery, then select the picture you want to use, locate where it is on your phone, and select the image you want to use. So the first image we'll be using is this marketplace. Click on it, make sure it covers the workspace. Make sure it covers the workspace. Then the second one is a background, a plain background. So locate it as well and import it. So let's look for it. So this is it here, and make sure it covers the workspace as well, the working area. So this is it. What you have to do is just to lock it so it won't move. The next thing is to bring the image of the lady we'll be using. So click on this plus icon here, click on from gallery, import the image here, import the image. So let's look for the image we'll be using. So we'll be making use of this lady here, and this is it. As you can see, there is no background, so it's popping out with the background here. The image doesn't have its original background. I removed it so that it can match well with the design. So let's just continue. So drag it out and bring it to this place. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. So okay, let me just increase it a bit. I think this is just okay. A little more. So I think this is really nice. So this is it. So the next thing we have to do is to add a text. So you click on this icon here, click on text. For you to add a text, you either click on edit and delete the new text, or you double tap on this new text. This is it. So delete it from here. So what you're going to write is this: it's another. So this is it. Bring it down to this place. Then the next one you have to do is add a background to this text. So To do that, click on this icon here, click on shapes, create a shape for the text here. Just not too much, yeah, it won't be much actually. I think this is okay. So this is it. So we change the color, so we will use black. Yeah, black and yellow comes out well, it goes well. So if you want to know why I tell you that, ask MTN, they will explain better. So as you can see, for me to put this here, it's covering the, it's another, and if you send it to back, it goes to the back automatically. So bring it back to the front, then click on this, it's another, and then bring it to the front. Now when you put this here, is now at the back of the it's another. So what you have to do is this, change the font of the text. So let's choose the font. I don't know why it's taking much time. So let's choose a font. Meanwhile, if you look at this menu here, you'll see font, you see my fonts and recent. These fonts are the default fonts of the app, the one the app came with. My fonts, as you can see, I have few fonts here, are the ones I downloaded for my work. I'll also make a video on how you can download font to your Pixel app. And these recent are the fonts you used for designing at the moment. So let's just choose a font here. So we'll be making use of this, and okay, so this is it. Increase the size either by dragging at this dot here or use the size icon. So this is it. Use the position button to move it to the center of the shape. Reduce the pixels so that it will give you what you want. So this is okay. Then make it bold. So I think I love this. This is good. And make it be at the center of the shape so that it will pop out well. Yeah, so this is it. Then if I want to edit this now, you'll notice that once I move this to bring this shape down to where I want it to be, I'll have to move it one by one, and if I lock it entirely, the both of them will stop moving. So what I have to do is this, unlock this and merge the both of them together. So in case you're designing and you find that you made any mistake, after this Pixel Lab watermark at the top of this place, this their logo here, you'll see an undo button here. Just click on it and it will undo. So what I have to do is to merge the shape and the text together. So to do that, click on this icon here. You see this good and bad icon here. Click on it, then select the icons you want to merge. Click on this and click on this. You see this up and arrow and down arrow here. Click on it. So are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? Just click on OK. The both of them has been merged together. So as you can see, if you move it now, the both of them are moving together at the same time. So the next thing you have to do is, to add the next test. So you click on this, so you click on text, click on edit, delete this. We're going to write good day. So this is it. It's going to be in capital letter. So click on OK. So the next thing you have to do is bring it here, yeah, bring it down to this place, and then increase the size by either dragging it from this button here or you increase it from here. So I think this is really okay. Yeah, let me increase it to 120, or yeah, 150 is okay. So this is it. So the next thing you have to do is this. You have to duplicate this, but first you have to change the font style. So let's just change the font. Yeah, so let's choose a font here. So okay, so I'll be choosing this arm wrestler here. So I'll click on okay. So this is nice, this is really nice. Then when you're carrying out design, there is this idea of, it's like you're walking inside your house, moving from one place to another, from the sitting room to the dining, from dining to the kitchen, from the kitchen to the bedroom. There is something that defines each area. Same thing when you are carrying out your design. Something should change. Yeah, something should actually change. That shows you're designing. So I want to send the good day to the back. So the next thing to do is probably changing the style. Yeah, so to do that, just click on it. This is the styles here. So click on styles, click on browse, and choose any one of your choice. So I click this. Yeah, I think this is okay. So the next thing is, yeah, I think this is more interesting. So I think I love this. Yeah, so change the color to black. Yeah, look for where the color tab is and change the color to black. Yeah, everything is now in black color. Now I'll be changing the positioning of this good day so that it can fall at the back of the lady. So I'll send it to the back, or probably bring this picture of the lady to the front. So I'll just tap on the lady here, yeah, and click on to front. As you can see, the text has fallen at the back. The good day text has fallen behind the lady. So let's move on. The next thing I have to do is to give this effect whereby the lady will be sliding through the good day text. So what I have to do is this. I have to copy this good day. Yeah, I have to copy it. This is it. I have copied it. Pay good attention here. Once you've gotten to this stage, the next thing you do is this. Go and select color. Go to color. Select color. Then click on this plus sign here. When you click on this plus sign here, reduce the transparency. This is it. You see these three boxes here. Yeah. You see these three boxes here. The last line is the transparency bar. So reduce it, drag it to the edge. As you can see, check it from this place where numbers are written. Look at that circle there. Look at this. When I slide through, it's black. When I do this, when I slide back, the transparency automatically reduces. So drag everything to the end. Yes, and you click on OK. So when you come back, you see this effect. This is it. So you can see this effect now, right? So what we will do now is to superimpose it on the first text, which we have here, which is this good day that is at the back of the lady. Make sure it's sitting down exactly on it. So look at what I want to do. This is it. Okay, bring it to the front actually. So as you can see, this is it, right? Let me bring it to the front. So this is it. Make sure it's sitting well. Yeah, I don't know if I got it, yeah, but I think it's sitting well exactly on it. So the next thing you do is to make a copy of the transparent one. Yeah, copy it and move it down to this place. Yeah, move it down to this place and make it be in good alignment with the previous one. So this is it. Move it up a bit. Yeah, move it up a bit. So after that, you have to copy this again, copy it, bring it down to this place. So this is it. I think this is okay. Yeah, I think this is really okay. So after that, I want these transparent ones, these whole ones, to fall behind the lady. Yeah, I want it to fall behind the lady. So I'll click on this lady here and bring the lady to the front. Click on the front. As you can see, the lady is now in the front. Then the next thing you have to do is this. I want the first good day to be in the front, like the first holo, the first effects we created to come to the front again. Yeah, I don't think this is at the right place. Let me use this. Yeah, I don't think this is at the right place. So yeah, I think this is okay now. Yeah, so I'll click on this and bring it to front. Yeah, I'll click on this and bring it to front. Hope you can see. So this is nice. Okay, let me adjust it a little. Yeah, so this is it. And even change this effect color to white. So just click on it and choose the color you want. So let's just use white. So this is it. So make it sit very well on this. Yeah, I think this is nice. I love this one. So you can equally change the fonts you want, and you can also make it bold, as you can see, right? So it depends on your creativity. So this is it. And with this, I think we are done with what we are doing. Yeah, I don't know if it looks good to your eye, but for me, I think this is just simple but nice. Yeah, so the world has advanced to the stage whereby everything is now being represented online, even offline. So you need design to get all these messages passed across to your clients and the intended audience. So I hope you can do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.